there, car enthusiasts! I'm Tiger Car System, your car accessories specialist. And today, I've got something incredible to show you, the Automusic Rhythm Light App Control Color Light. From TigerCarSystems.com, get ready to elevate your driving experience. With this must-have auto accessory, picture this: vibrant colors, dancing to the rhythm of your favorite music. Our Automusic Rhythm Light adds a mesmerizing touch to your vehicle. It responds to your music, creating an enchanting light show synced perfectly with your tunes. Like your very own concert on wheels, installation is a breeze. Just plug it into your car's USB port, and you're ready to go. Take control with the app. Customize colors, brightness, and speed from your smartphone. Create the perfect atmosphere to match your style, whether cruising with friends or enjoying a night drive. This Automusic Rhythm Light sets the perfect atmosphere for a whole new level of driving pleasure. Embrace the magic and elevate your driving experience with the Automusic Rhythm Light from TigerCarSystems.com. Click Add to Cart now and let the colors dance to your favorite beats. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more fantastic car accessories. Drive safely and happy driving with your Automusic Rhythm Light.